Hello, natural hair community, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing things a little differently. I'm going to show you guys a day in the life of a stressed out cleaning mofo. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is my closet. It is kind of a mess. So join me while I clean my closet and do some much needed laundry. Don't ask me how I got that full. I literally do not know. I'm starting by gathering all these clothes and walking my behind all the way to my laundry area, which is in my kitchen. I'm turning this thing on to the heavy because it is small as heck. Very, very small. I'm gonna load it up. I use sensitive skin stuff because my dad has allergies and it's just easier like when he comes to have that. And then of course I use my scented beads because I love a good scent. I really do. Now, I may not be like the hugest separator of color, but I definitely separate my towels from my clothes. The texture of towels is a no-no mixture with my other soft cotton items. I just can't do it. I will, however, as you're about to see, wash sheets with it, but that even is subjective because I don't do it all the time. Once I get these sheets in here, I'm going to go ahead and begin washing. As a side note, boom, I did switch outfits. This is a whole nother day, guys. Yep, whole nother day. Experiencing issues with my camera, my computer, and my phone. I don't really know what was going on, so I quit filming that day and went ahead and just took a break. In the meantime, these are clothes, clearly not the towels that I had put in. So as you can see, I definitely did like another load in between filming. Sorry guys. And now I'm literally about to start my third load. As y'all saw, that bin was completely full to capacity. So I'm gonna wash all of these. Like I don't normally let my clothes get that full. So best believe we're gonna get all of this done and together today. Also, this summer is my first summer not working. I'm a teacher. I teach middle school, and this is my first time having the summer off, and I like literally don't know what to do with myself. I've been doing home projects. I've been cleaning, as y'all can see, which I mean I clean all the time anyway. And I feel like I've just been really struggling with like finding structure and balance throughout my day because I really feel like I'm used to having a very structured, organized life where I was either in school or I had a job that I had to be completely accountable to on a daily basis. So having this much free time is a little weird to me. But it has also shown me why I don't want to work forever. So, anyway, I'm grinding my own coffee right now. That was cute. This is the coffee that I'm trying to grind. Trader Joe's organic Ethiopian coffee. I grind my own beans now because I have gotten a extreme paranoia of bugs in ground coffee. I don't know if anybody else knows this, but I've definitely heard all over the internet that people have been talking about how if you drink coffee, you should be a little bit more careful because in the ground coffee, there's some stuff in there. So now I'm at a point where I grind my own coffee. Okay. Okay, we've moved into the bedroom where I'm now folding my clothes. I already folded the towels, and once I'm finished with this, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I think my camera died. I'm not really sure what happened. I'm just getting all of my things nice and neat. I'm not the best folder, not even gonna lie to you guys, but here we are adulting, right? Making this video really showed me how ADHD I really truly am. I mean, it literally took me like 4 days to record this video. I'm not even lying. I don't know why it took me that long, but this was a way to motivate myself to actually complete a full task because I'm learning now via recording that I don't often complete tasks in a timely manner. I get things started, and who knows what happens after that. Look, even my boyfriend ended up stepping in after my camera did die. So he did the rest of the folding. I am so lucky to have somebody who actually will do housework with me. Yay, bae, go you. All right, the whole reason we started this whole video was me cleaning my closet. So let's go ahead and check in on those results. So much did not change, but my things are empty, and I got rid of a lot of the clothes that were right there. Those are some things I'm gonna sell on Poshmark. Stay tuned for some videos on that. And yeah, stay motivated, guys. Definitely don't be like me and take 5 days to clean your closet.